Toyota Yaris Cross or Ford Territory, both base variant. Na_C, shoutout sa'yo. This is gonna be a very interesting matchup. Tara, sagutin natin. So, personally, I really like both of these crossover SUVs. The thing is, lately, naglabas si Ford. Recently lang talaga, and we made a review about it on our YouTube channel. No? They just gave us a hybrid variant, both from the top of the line and the base model. You have the Titanium X and the Trend. So both of them, again, naka-hybrid na. Yaris Cross, on the other hand, only the top of the line has the hybrid version. So 3 variants for Yaris Cross, top of the line hybrid, mid variant not hybrid, and absolutely the standard or the base model not hybrid. So dun pa lang, I think you already know, do you want a hybrid car or a non-hybrid? Given na, let's just say, hindi pa masyadong factor sa'yo whether hybrid ba or not, let's compare very quickly yung features nilang dalawa. So I think that kahit hindi hybrid si Yaris Cross, it already has all of the things that I would want for a crossover SUV. Not to mention pa na personal, I really like the looks of the Yaris Cross. Lalong-lalo na ngayon na si Ford Territory, iniba nila yung hood, iniba nila yung itsura ng front fascia ni Territory. I like the pre-facelift model like I mentioned before. Now, medyo sa looks, Yaris Cross tayo, no? And then, going inside with the interior, hindi naman siya masyadong malayo, but looks interior-wise is also good for either of these cars, so I don't mind that. Yung headliner lang maganda kay Yaris Cross is black na yung headliner niya, which screams expensive or parang naka higher end ka na sasakyan. Territory basically just has a lot of great features. Kahit yung base variant ni Territory, I think has a 360-degree camera, if I'm not mistaken, and power adjustable seats si Ford Territory. So mas high-tech talaga or lamang talaga yung base variant ni Territory. If you want the more features ni Yaris Cross, doon ka sa mid variant, which is si V variant. I actually made videos or reviews about both of these cars on my YouTube channel. Check nyo na lang. Sana katulong. Follow for more.